I climbed and climbed. Where is the peak, my Lord? I climbed and climbed. Where is the peak, my Lord? I plowed and plowed. Where is the knowledge treasure, my Lord? I plowed and plowed. Where is the knowledge treasure, my Lord? I sailed and sailed. Where is the island of peace, my Lord? I sailed and sailed. Where is the island of peace, my Lord? Almighty, bless my nation with vision and sweat resulting into happiness.
Ia comment Presiden Barim Kari India Dr. Avul Pakil Channel Abdin Abdul Kalam Balaklan akani kanongba Shillong menaka arpinyau tarik unaitung hadin ke jingsange terekam kensan klong senam jungu lalet ban ontap dan buramno mentakasngi kalaipo tarik naitung hakasnong Rameswaram Tamil Nadu hakabalawan bansaki yakani ke jingle dan buram kabakaddu deki bahayeng asam kilok kijor kikinram kilendan kentop yo menteri rang bakdo kari Narendra Modi kihe menteri jongka sarkar NDA nalor ulat kejela Meghalaya Vishan Muganathan batkiwe yakani ke jingle ontap na pendap haringkat ke jingle niam le rukom jongka niam Islam ne Muslim. Laban penken mau bau Dr. Abdul Kalam lakhlan no Shillong hakar pinyo tarik naitung tang hadien katukat ni kenta bolawan kenang syakani kanongba ban ai jingkren haka program jongka Indian Institute of Management Shillong Uniu Presiden Barim Kari India bolong ru nohikai pekerpang jongka IAM lapoi hanongba Shillong haka siningkong haka po sanbeji janmiet ha IAM Shillong paruladon haka tiga jaka Panai jingkren halor kapang livable planet Earth. Haka jingedang lang kisamla puli bat kinoi kai KIM. Nredai hakapor kumbahan rio lai pesan janmiet tangadien kumasan minute AA baudang ai jingkren u Dr. Abdul Kalam la kelon kensan pala penket noi u Shapetini Hospital panai jing sumar. Yo Dr. Abdul Kalam la penpoi Shapetini Hospital hakapor nyobuji janmiet emergency panamar baga jingstam kala jurba ki doktor kila late rabet ya usha intensive care unit naga bentaban ai jing sumar Dr. Abdul Kalam ubadan proplice nem karta laklat no Bethany Hospital hakapor hinyo sopusan janmiet hadien ga jingsange rekam kansan klong snam jong u ne massive cardiac arrest.
This is to state that the former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was brought to the Bethany Hospital, Shillong at 7 p.m. on 27 July 2015. He was received in the emergency room and on arrival, he showed no spontaneous respiration, no pulse, no BP, and the pupils were dilated and fixed. Intubation was done immediately and CPR was started. He was then shifted to the intensive care unit immediately for further resuscitation by our expert medical team. All the efforts were made, but he could not be revived. So our former president, beloved Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, was declared dead at 7:45 p.m. on the 27th of July 2015.
You come this side.
med yap jong u lapin kan ria no sha military hospital la kapor shpo je para kasngi ka babot akapor san beje lapin mi no yakate ka med nakate ka hospital balapin ket no lingba ka helicopter na ka lingsun jong ka Indian Air Force sha Guwahati para kapor bro shitang min step lapin ket ekamet sha nongba Delhi. Henin kasngi la penket pan yakamet jong u Sharameswaram Tamil Nadu tamenta banle Donburam khadu labun kado kindiat chapang ka jingem jong Dr. Abdul Kalam lakai u kasnong Rameswaram haka khatsan tarik risau khat khandai spa laipuai madu deiru nakayeng kasem kabaduk hakaba kupa jong u lalong tang unongnya leng Dr. Kalam la pendap ka jingpuli jong u na St. Joseph College pat Madras University padularung hakakam scientist hakasnem kharkandai spa andripo Dr. Abdul Kalam lalong kum presiden pakhatwei jongkari India nadu snam arajar ar hado arajar nyo yo Dr. Abdul Kalam na tepru eu kum misalman nalor kanie ulalong wei na scientist bapawnam ha India habai dei bat kajing persyang ekban penbethai yo bom nuclear kabaar ha Pokhran house nam Syajar kandai spa kandai popra namar ka jingye ka bakarpang ka bawla yo na baro kinong India new president berem la syajet ban yo ka kusnam MTV youth icon hausnam arajar lai pat arajan rio bat ru yo ka kusnam Padma Bhushan pat Bharat Ratna